Here it is, Blackstone's Iron Forge 36-inch griddle with the new Omnivore Griddle top. So we just got this griddle in. I just put it together, and we're going to talk about some of the unique features for it and what it has that sets it apart from the rest, including the design and the new Omnivore Griddle top that it has on it. So let's start by taking you to an unboxing and assembly video. We'll just do that real quick, and then we'll come back and talk about the features unique to this griddle. Just trying to show the difference between the Omnivore griddle top and a regular one. They went with this new X design, which makes it sturdier, less likely to warp or to have low points. And then you have these natural wind barriers built in on the sides and on the front and back, but they wanted to have place for heat to go. So being on the side and being that there's no holes in the sides, it helps distribute the heat better. Then the heat actually builds up over here and actually helps heat the sides up, which is typically your cool spots, and your middle is your hot spot. This will allow the heat as it tries to escape out the side where it would normally heat up your side shelves and stuff. It'll actually block it from heating up your side shelves, distribute the heat out to the sides and hold it there a little more. But then they had to have a place for the heat to go. So they've designed these holes in the front and in the back here to help force the heat out the back mostly and a little bit out the front. And then you have these holes throughout to try to help keep the heat distributed. So that's really the premise behind the Omnivore, is all of that technology. This thing has a sharp new design with that Blackstone X looking thing on the front. We've got some reinforcement in the hood. And then just to kind of show it off, it's got a nice large handle, and then look at the rivets in the hood with the two-tone gray and black. Just kind of makes this griddle really stand out from the others as being something special. Got that stabilizing bottom shelf down there, perfect for storing things. New added to this griddle is the side shelves now have these little hanging brackets on the side that we can use for different types of accessories. So I happen to have one right here. They've got this accessory for holding like your oil and water for your griddle, and you just slide it on and you just see how easy that pops in place. So I'm really excited to see what Blackstone does with this. I hope this is a design that they keep up with and start making more and more accessories that can be attached there. We of course still have our hooks if you want to hang your other accessories on it. These hooks, you'll notice, are coated in that black coating, which I think is nice because it kind of blends it in with this all black griddle, black and gray griddle. But also I'm hoping that kind of keeps them from rusting, because I don't know about you, but my hooks tend to rust a lot when they sit out in the weather. So this griddle also has this expanding shelf on this side. So you just have these two locks on the side here, and you push them both down, and then you can slide this shelf right out. And it gives you an entire length of another shelf. which is really nice if you want to keep some things cool away from the heat over there, but also if you just want to have that extra space for all your stuff that you're using the griddle with. So you've got that nice expanding shelf, and then you just push it right back in, push those locks in, and lock it back in place. I still want to put that Omnivore griddle plate to the test, so we're going to put it up against my traditional Blackstone griddle plate here in a little while, so look for that video coming very soon. And until then, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.